far as I know, Hisense has always been actively practicing ESG principles.
Yes, Hisense HVAC Qingdao factory is also committed to exploring low-carbon production systems. Through our smart carbon emission management platform and innovative energy-saving technologies, we've reduced the factory's energy consumption per unit by 35%. We are extensively using clean energy. As a result, carbon emissions from production and electricity usage have decreased by 47%. Emission of carbon dioxide has reduced by at least 7,500 tons annually.
Using the power of technology to protect the planet, I can really see the brand's social responsibility.